Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? She got home cooked meals, turn up the heat. A little bit of dessert, it won't hurt. Let's get the cooking with Nana the expert.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Big Mac hot dogs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are hot dog buns. We're also going to need hot dogs, shredded lettuce, sliced cheese, sesame seeds, pickles, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I have chopped onion. And now for our Big Mac sauce, we're going to need 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 4 tablespoons of sweet relish, and 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. To a small bowl, we're going to add in our mayonnaise. We're going to make our Big Mac sauce. We're also going to add in our ketchup, our relish, sugar, paprika, garlic powder, vinegar, and also our yellow mustard. Now we're just going to combine all our ingredients. Continue to mix until everything is well combined. Now place a lid over top, and you want to put it in your fridge until we're ready to use it. Now to a pot of boiling water, we're going to add in our hot dogs. We're going to let them boil for 4 to 5 minutes. Now guys, you can put your oven to 400 degrees. You want to get your hot dog buns. I'm using brioche buns, and you want to lightly brush the top of them with butter. After you're done, we're going to get our sesame seeds, and we're just going to sprinkle them over top. Once you're done, we're going to place them in our 400 degree oven for 4 to 5 minutes until they're lightly toasted. Now in a cast iron grill pan, I've added my hot dogs so we can get some grill marks onto them. Okay guys, now we're going to remove our hot dogs from the pan. Okay guys, once your hot dog buns are toasted, we're just going to add a layer of shredded lettuce to the bottom. You want to add your cheese. Begin to add your pickles. Now you can add your hot dogs on. I've added some onion to the top. I only added that to 2 of them. And next we're going to add on our Big Mac sauce. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Big Mac hot dogs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Are y'all hungry yet?